In all Hawaii, you could pretty much, only select certain things. Not like nowadays, you go restaurant, anything that